Won't you stop the music, get into it, won't you dance with me?
Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. And if you are new here, hi. I am so sorry for the lighting. Once again, my window is right here obviously, but this is the best filming setup that I could come up with. I am so excited for today's video. As you guys can see by the title, I bought a Louis Vuitton bag. I have wanted a Louis Vuitton bag since literally 8th grade when I started watching YouTube and I saw Tara Michelle had the monogrammed Neverfull, and ever since that moment of seeing that bag, I was like, I need it. So I've been saving up my money for a long time. Of course, like in high school, I didn't have too much money to save up, and since now that I have a few jobs, I've saved up enough money to get myself one. I am in no way, shape, or form bragging by this video. I just want to show you guys. I am so excited and I'm proud of all the hard work that I've put in to be able to afford a bag like this. So like I said, I was obsessed with Tara Michelle's Neverfull bag, and if you guys know, I have a fake Neverfull bag that I bought to see if I would use it a lot before I went and actually purchased a real one. So this is my ratchet little Neverfull bag that I got for $30 off Wanello. You can totally tell it's fake. The inside's two different pieces. This is like bending down, doesn't stay up. It's falling apart. There's stitches coming out. I realized I only use this to carry around my stuff for coaching. And so I actually did not go ahead and buy a real Neverfull, which is very surprising. It was surprising to my mom too, since this was the bag I've been talking about wanting for 6 years. But since I really only used it for coaching, and coaching is done and doesn't start up again until like September, I figured I want an everyday bag. And so you guys will see once I unbox this what bag I got. Just a little disclaimer too, I've already unboxed this, but I put it all back together to look like I didn't unbox it because the UPS man came to my house at like 8 p.m. yesterday and it was pitch black outside, and I was like, I can't film like this. So I already opened it, I already inspected it, it's all good. I folded it back up, put it back in the box, and put the bow back on. Literally put everything back how it was. First thing you get is this little envelope. This is their receipt. So you get like this little nice envelope full of stuff. So right here just says LV, Louis Vuitton on the back, and then it just has your receipt. It says the date you order it, the return policy, how you paid for it, everything like that. And then in here you get two other little forms. This one is just how to like exchange and return stuff, and then this is a little thank you for shopping with us card, which I think is really nice. These are like good quality paper, like it's not like the flimsy paper. This is like cardstock, like nice paper. And that's everything in there. So once again, just the little orange envelope. This is what it looks like when you actually get a Louis Vuitton. It's got the little ribbon on it, which as you guys can see says Louis Vuitton. And then this has a little card in it. I can take it out for you. I didn't write myself a note, but if you were to put like a personalized message on it, it would be in here. Like I said, I didn't write myself a message. I could have, but I didn't. So I'm just gonna slip the ribbon off. It's actually very difficult trying to put the ribbon back on because I put it on and it looked good, but the way the writing was, it was all upside down. So I had to take it off and try to put it on again. And this thing's a little bit tricky to get back on, but I wanted to save it because this rope's probably like $100 in itself. So as you can see, it comes in this giant box. It actually has a little magnet right here, so it just opens and closes right there. So when you open it up, this is what you see. First thing in here is this little bag. So in this little bag, they're so kind and they give you 2 perfume samples. I actually haven't even smelled these yet. That was the last thing that was like on my mind yesterday, was to smell the perfume samples. So I'm just gonna smell them now since we're here. Ooh, that smells really good. This is Dan's La Paix. I have no idea. And then we got another one. Oh, that one smells good. I think I like the other one better. This one is called, I'm not even gonna try to say this one. I have no idea. I honestly love this little pouch. I love pouches like this when you travel to like put your jewelry in and stuff. And it's cute to travel with a little Louis Vuitton jewelry pouch. So then I'm just gonna close up this box and set it down on the floor. So every bag you get is gonna come in a dust bag, and this is just what it looks like. Of course, just says the name right on it. What doesn't say the name? And then you just flip it open, and you can see my bag peeking out. I'm so excited to show you guys which bag I got. I'm sure some of you like have no idea which one I got because I haven't really talked about me ever wanting this bag, but I have wanted it for a while, and it's been online. It keeps saying call for availability. And when I was at State Dance, actually a week ago, exactly today, I looked online and it said placing cart. And I was like, oh my gosh. Well, I didn't have enough money on my card. So by the time I got home from State Dance, I was tired. I was dead. So I went to bed, woke up the next morning. I worked that full day, and then I came home and I went to go place it in my cart to buy it, and it said call for availability, and I wanted to cry. So I went and I was like, it's fine, like I can get it in a few months, it'll be okay. So then I checked back about an hour later and it said place in cart, and I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna do it. So I bought it. The bag I got is a Speedy Bandolier 25. When you first pull out your Speedy, it's folded down like this. I did get the monogram print. So like I said, it's folded down, looks like this. You can definitely pop it up, and then all the straps are hooked onto one side. So to pop it up, you basically just pull like this and it pops up, and then I just unzipped it on the top and then just went in and pushed it out, and then there's your bag. I'm also going to unclip one side of these and put it back on the other side. Another thing people don't really know about the Speedy is that the strap does come in 3 parts, so you can wear this bag 3 ways. First way is crossbody, so you can keep all of the straps on and wear crossbody, or you can take one of the straps off and then just have it as a shoulder bag, or you could just take all the straps off. It's just got a little clip, and just use it as like a handbag. I'm probably just gonna keep the straps on and just carry it crossbody. Well, actually not even crossbody. Like I put it on my shoulder, but I like where it hits when all 3 straps are on. Another thing is the leather on here is untreated, so it does patina. If you don't know what that means, it just means it's gonna get darker and it's gonna turn like a little honey shade, which I'm so excited for because I like the white, but if it was darker, I feel like it would go better with the little embellishments of the LV. So going along, the bag does have a lock on it, if you guys can see that, and it's a real lock. You can actually lock your bag up, and then in this little bag right here I have the keys in case I ever do want to lock it up. So I just leave those right in here, and then I just store them in the inside pouch in here. I know some people like to know where bags were made and stuff like that, so I'll tell you guys mine. So when you're inside the bag and you flip this up, back right here, it has that. So the first 2 letters say where it's made. It can be made in a few different places. SD is one of the USA ones, and so my bag was made in the United States. And then the numbers, if you guys can see, mine says 3188. So this is where it gets confusing. So the first and the third letter are the week that your bag was made. So my bag was made in the 38th week, which was made in September. And then the second and 4th numbers are the year it was made. So my bag was made in 2018. So that's just a cool way to figure out like where your bag was made and when. I'm just so excited to finally have a Louis Vuitton bag. I literally couldn't stop smiling yesterday. I was so excited and so happy. I know some people don't like believe in designer bags and like aren't into that kind of stuff, but that's something I love. I love having nice things. Me personally, I would rather buy one expensive bag and carry this around with me for a long time rather than having to buy other bags because they start to fall apart and stuff like that. I do plan to have this bag literally till I'm 40. Like this is gonna be my everyday bag. I've already sold my other Michael Kors bags, and so this is my bag. It's going to be my baby. I hope you guys enjoyed this little unboxing video. My reaction wasn't as great as it was last night, but like I said, it was dark outside and I didn't want to film. I feel like this lighting and this setup is better. I would love to own more Louis Vuitton bags in the future, or even a Gucci bag, just designer bags in general, but my budget probably will not allow that for a few more years. I'm very content with my purchase. I love it, and yeah. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. I am going to be doing a what's in my bag soon. I don't want to put so many bag videos right after another, so it'll probably be in a month or so. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
And don't you stop the music, get into it, won't you dance with me? Find a place and lose it, you can do it, won't you dance with me?